Hello, good morning. Good morning, all. Good morning, all. Are you all able to see and hear me? Everyone? కనిపిస్తుందమ్మా? Hi. Yes, so very good morning to one and all. I think all of you are able to see and hear me now. Welcome, everyone, to the Maha Marathon series. For JEE 2026. Welcome everyone to the Maha Marathon. So comment cheyandi and share this video with everybody. So in this session today, I'll try to discuss all important models, and most importantly నా target ఏంటంటే at least 10 to 12 questions you will be able to solve in your final JEE exam using this session today. So Telugu students who are preparing for JEE 2026 వాళ్ళందరికీ వీడియో షేర్ చేయండి and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Next couple of hours, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours. In next couple of hours, 2.5 hours, I'll try to discuss all types of models useful in JEE mains examination, mathematics. So start cheddam amma. So firstly, we are going to target a lot of chapters. So first ఏంటంటే important topics ఏంటంటే కూడా నేను చెప్పాను దీంట్లో. సో మీకోసం మీరు రిసోర్సెస్ కలెక్ట్ చేసి పెట్టాను. సో దే ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్ like quadratic equation, complex numbers, permutation combination, sequence and series, binomial theorem, straight lines, geometry based, parabola based, then limits based, matrices based, determinants based. So ivanni kuda, we have collected resources online, and we will share that also in our WhatsApp community. Ippudu mattuku let's try to do some problems. So ప్రతి ఒక్కటి we are going to discuss in today's session amma. So let's get started guys and not waste any time. So first things first, Spark Academy application lo whatever you require for JEE, like 99 percentile రావాల్సింది, resource sheets అన్నీ కూడా పెట్టాము. Not only that, for Telugu students we have put resource sheets for JEE, EAPCET and all the revision material as well. So complete resources sheets అన్నీ పెట్టామమ్మా మీకోసము. So you can go through and you can subscribe to our channel for more. మన వాట్సాప్ కమ్యూనిటీ కూడా మీకు తెలిసిందే. I think most of you are already there in the WhatsApp community. There we are sending all regular updates with regards to the classes, tests and all. So let's get started, Amma. I'm going to discuss some wonderful shortcuts. Wonderful models, tricks, prati okati which is required for your JEE 2026 examination. So this is the first important model which we are going to discuss. So f of x equals to 2 power x by 2 power x into plus root 2 is the functions based chapter, amma. So functions based chapter, I will show you a super trick to solve this question. This was asked in JEE mains January 2025, JEE mains latest PYQ. So summation k equal to 1 to 81 f of k by 82. This is the question. Basically దీనికి ఏంటంటే you need not do the original process. Original process ఏంటి? Instead of x you need to substitute k by 82 and then so first ఏంటంటే f of 1 by 82 plus f of 2 by 82 plus f of 3 by 82 up to so on ఇలా ఉంటాయి. సో దీని బదులు 1 by 82 then 2 by 82 then 3 by 82. Need not do all of that. మీకు ఇలాంటి సమ్మేషన్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చిందంటే జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ సమ్మేషన్ ఎక్కడ దాకా ఉంది. సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్టిల్ 81 బేసికలీ. ద సమ్మేషన్ ఇస్ స్టిల్ 81 అమ్మ. సో యూ జస్ట్ నీడ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై టిల్ వేర్ ఎవర్ దట్ సమ్మేషన్ ఇస్ అండ్ డివైడ్ బై 2. అప్ టు 81 ఉంటే 81 by 2, అప్ టు 41 ఉంటే 41 by 2. సో ఆన్సర్ 81 by 2. Clear, amma, everybody? Are all of you clear with this wonderful trick? Can I have some comments, amma, please? All of you comment so that I know that all of you are following. So super trick 2025 paper, వేరే ఇయర్ పేపర్స్ కూడా మీకు చూపిస్తాను ఎలా చేయొచ్చో. దాంతో మీకు ఈజీగా యూ విల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు సాల్వ్ అమ్మా. సో దిస్ యాక్చువల్లీ వెరీ వెరీ ఈజీ. సో నౌ లెట్స్ సీ 2023 బేస్డ్ ఇలాంటిది వచ్చింది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ లైక్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 2023, 2 by 2023 అప్ టు 2022 by 2023. అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ లైక్ సమ్మేషన్ 1 to 2022 ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1 to 2 ఆర్ by 2023 సంథింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సార్ట్. ఇందాకట్లాగానే ఉంది క్వశ్చన్. అప్ టు ఇస్ 2022. So final answer I can write it as 2022 by 2, which is nothing but 1011. So that is nothing but fourth option is the final answer. 1011 will be the final answer. So this is also very very easy, very very simple. And so ilanti summation vachinappudu all you need to do is identify till what number that summation is, and from there you can get the answer, amma. Are you clear, everybody? Yes, easy, wonderful trick. So a question వచ్చినా కానీ ఇలా చేయొచ్చు. So you can see these are all JEE models, functions based ఇలా చేయొచ్చు అమ్మా. Next, number of solutions based. So this is like a combination of functions and quadratic equation. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే బేసికల్లీ 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్, ఇది సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్. రెండింటిలో దెర్ ఇస్ రూట్ ఎక్స్. సో వాట్ వీ కెన్ డూ ఇస్ రూట్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు టీ అనుకోవచ్చు. సో ఎక్స్ విల్ బి నథింగ్ బట్ టీ స్క్వేర్. So this will be nothing but 9 by t square minus 9 by root x is nothing but t plus 2 equal to 0. Because 2 multiplication equal to 0 ante either the first equation is 0 or the second equation is 0. So this I can write it as 2 by t square minus 7 by t plus 3 equal to 0. So ila kuda raichomma manamu. Yes. So we can write like this also. So what will this be now? Put దీన్ని simplify చేద్దాం. This is like 2t square, if you take LCM, minus 9t plus 9 equal to 0. This is like again 3t square minus 7t plus 2 equal to 0. So this is like 18. So 2t square minus 6t minus 3t plus 9 equal to 0. So this will be nothing but here 2t common t minus 3 minus 3 common t minus 3 equal to 0. So 2t minus 3 equal to 0 or t minus 3 equal to 0. Ikkada again this is like 6. 3t square minus 6t minus t plus 2 equal to 0. So 3t common t minus 2 minus 1 common t minus 2 equal to 0. So this is 3t minus 1 equal to 0, t minus 2 equal to 0. So t value 1 by 3 ochindi, t value 2 ochindi. Ikkada t value is 3 by 2. Ikkada t value is 3 again. So we got 4 values of t now. Basically. Yes. So x will be nothing but 1 by t square and write you. So we can write x is equal to now t square basically. So x value will be 1 by 9, 4, 9 by 4 and 9. Excuse me. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4 solutions. Fourth option is the final answer. Clear everybody? This is 2025 JEE question again. Very easy, very simple school level question amma ide basically. So you can see here same process. I've given the solution also. Class tarvata I will be sharing this file in our WhatsApp community. So ensure you have joined the WhatsApp community. Thank you so much, Samir. We will have this session for 2 hours. So let me just pin our WhatsApp community link, Amma, so that all of you can I have pinned the message. So let's start continuing the problems. Now next question, this is a complex number based question, Amma. So we have done 3 problems so far. This is the 4th problem. Ilanti model guda is repeated very frequently. So let's look at it. The integers a and b belonging to minus 3 comma 3 such that a plus b not equal to 0, then the number of possible ordered pairs of a and b for which z minus a is by z plus b equal to 1 mod of and mod of z plus 1 omega square omega z plus omega square 1 omega square 1 z plus omega equal to 1. So basically what I will do is I will assume z is equal to x plus iy, Amma. So what will this be now? X plus iy minus a mod of will be equal to mod of x plus iy plus b. So this is under root of x minus a whole square plus y square equal to under root of x plus b whole square plus y square. Root will get cancelled. So we'll get x square minus 2x plus a square plus y square equal to x square plus 2bx plus b square plus y square. So y square, x square cancelled. So we will get x times 2a plus b plus 2x common I will take. 2x times, so I will take 2x common, a plus b square minus a square equal to 0, or we will get 2x times a plus b plus, this is a plus b into b minus a, this is a square minus b square, right, equal to 0, or I can take a plus b common, we will get 2x plus b minus a equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now what else can I write, Amma? I can also write this is a modulus equal to 1 another. So can I just add first column with the second column? So I will make a calculation here, C1 such that C1 plus C2 plus C3. So the first element in the first column, you should add second column. So this is z plus 1 plus omega square. This is omega plus z plus omega square plus 1. This is omega square plus 1 plus z plus omega. This is omega z plus omega square 1. This is omega square 1 z plus omega, that is equal to 1 they said. We all know 1 plus omega square is nothing but 0. So idantha kuda cancel ayipotundi. So we will get z here, omega z plus omega square 1, omega square 1, z plus omega. This is what we are getting, ma. So now I can take z common. So if we take z common, I will get 1 omega square. This is 1 z plus omega square 1. This is 1 z plus omega. This is what we are going to get. So we need to again simplify this in a way that we get the final expression. So let's have a look at this again. So in this again I can do directly take and do the 3 by 3 determinant also. So we will get plus 1 into z plus omega square into z plus omega minus 1 minus omega into, this is z plus omega minus 1 plus omega square into 1 minus z minus omega square equal to 0. So you can just simplify. You will get z value. So you will get x and y value and you need to substitute here. So basically adi cheyalamma. So I will show you the detailed solution here. Basically, so this is what we will get here. So we are evaluating the determinant here. So we have to evaluate and simplify. So what did you get? A plus b equal to 0 we got. Correct? So how many ordered pairs we can get? That we need to check. So we can simplify these two cases now. So మనకి ఏమొస్తుందంటే -3 వస్తుంది, -2 వస్తుంది, -1 వస్తుంది, or 1 -1 2 -2 and 3 -3 వస్తుంది. So like that we will get everything, we will get easily. So totally 10 వస్తాయి. So simply speaking, what you need to do is, I will again show you. First you need to simplify this equation, guys. So mod of z minus a equal to mod of z plus b. That is the first thing which you need to do. The second thing which you should do is this. You can either use the z aspect, so you can use integration aspect here. You can use the 3 by 3 determinant aspect. 3 by 3 determinant and plus minus plus, or you can just split it up, z 0 0 0 0 z 0 0 z plus, we can write 1 omega omega square, omega square 1, omega square 1 omega. So this, if you add it up, you will get a 0 row, idanta 0. So determinant of this is z cube. So, or whatever, indak cheppin method kuda is same. So z cube will be equal to 1 we will get here. And this is my second equation, this is my first equation. Solve these two, that is what they are doing. So this is how you will get the final answer. Clear, Amma, everybody? So I'm just showing you the main steps so that you can easily simplify and get the answers. So this is the next one. Now we are going to see a permutation and combination model. This was also asked in 2025. So let's see this. So they said rank of the word, they asked you to arrange the letters of the word daughter. So let's write DAUGHTER. Now they are saying the number of words which can be formed so that the vowels will never come together. Always remember, Amma, this is also a very important concept in permutations. Whenever they say never together, take the opposite case. So you should take opposite, which is total minus vowels always together. Appudu not together. So what will be the total permutations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total will be 8 factorial, Amma. And vowels together, what are the vowels? A, U, E. So D, G, H, T, R can be arranged in any way. But this A, U, E is taken as one unit because vowels are always together. So now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Idanta okati. So total 6 factorial because this is considered as one unit. And this A, U, E can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So final answer is 8 factorial minus 6 factorial into 3 factorial. 8 factorial you can write it as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial minus this I can write it as 6 factorial into 3 factorial. So you take 6 factorial common, 8 into 7 is 56, 3 factorial is nothing but 6. So I am taking these two common. So final answer is 6 factorial into 50, which is nothing but 36,000 if you solve. Very easy answer, guys. So always never come together, not together, ante total minus together. So then never ichhamante total minus positive. So if they give negative case, you can take total minus positive cases. Are you clear, everybody? All of you? Easy, right? Everyone, can I have some comments? So this is one model which they ask arrangements. So whenever they say circular arrangements, circular arrangement, so linear arrangements n factorial. Whenever they said circular methods means fix one person, arrange the others. That means you will get n minus 1 factorial. This is for circular. So this is very, very easy. Another method is not required, ma. Let's not waste time with the another method. This is the easiest method you can solve. Sometimes they can say consonants together. Consonants together means A, U, E, D, G, H, T, R will be together basically. So again, total minus consonants together we need to take. So this will be one unit. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 factorial. And again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These can arrange themselves in 5 factorial ways. So we will get 8 factorial minus 4 factorial into 5 factorial. Faizan, are you clear? So if consonants are together, you can do it in the same way. So this is about permutation combination trick. Next, find the rank of the word Monday. This is also a repeated question. Dictionary lo you have to arrange the letters of the word antaru. So I will show you how to do without repetition, with repetition. So for rank, don't use your intermediate or your 12th class method. I will show you an easier trick to solve this. So if you want to find out the rank of the word Monday, first ఏం చేయండి అంటే arrange them in alphabetical order. A comes first, paina 1 అని రాద్దాం. A, B, C, D. D will be 2. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. N will be 4. O will be 5 and Y will be 6. These positions are very, very important for you, Amma. Okay. So these positions are very, very important for us. Now what you do is, M pakkana draw a line. O pakkana draw a line. N pakkana draw a line. D pakkana draw a line. A pakkana draw a line. Now what you do is, we will start with M part. So M the position into 3. Now check to the right. How many are less than 3? So always keep checking to the right. How many are less than 3? There are only 2 numbers which are less than 3. 2. Check to the right. How many are less than 5? There are only 1, 2, 3 numbers which are less than 5. Again 4. To the right. How many are less than 4? Only 2 numbers. 2. Check to the right. How many are less than 2? Only 1 number. Any number less than 1? No. 6? No. Now from the right hand side, start with 0 factorial. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Yes. So for every position, I am repeating again, Amma. So M position is 3. Now check to your right. To the right of 3, how many numbers are less than 3? There are only 2 numbers less than 3. Now O position is 5. How many are less than 5? 4 is less than 5, 2 is less than 5, 1 is less than 5. So I am writing 3 here. How many are less than 4? There are only 2 numbers less than 4. So 2. How many are less than 2? Only 1 number. How many are less than 1? Nothing. 6. Always keep checking to your right every position. Now next step is from the right to left. Start writing 0 factorial. So this 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Now you multiply each with each. Multiply, 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 multiply. So this will be 2 into 5 factorial plus 3 into 4 factorial plus 2 into 3 factorial plus 1 into 2 factorial plus 0 into 1 factorial plus 0 into 0 factorial plus 1. At the end, add 1. We will get the final answer. So you just simplify this. You will get the final answer. So let's try to simplify. 5 factorial ante 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 4s are 20, 3s are 60, 2s are 120. 120 into 4, 2 is 240. 4 factorial is 4, 3s are 12, 2s are 24, into 3 is nothing but 72. 3 factorial 6 into 2 is nothing but 12. 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 plus 1. So just add this up, you will get the final answer. Are you clear, everybody? Easy trick, right? Easy, simple trick. Now let's see same case with the help of one more example, but repeated letters are there. So find the rank of the word banana. Now again same process. First what I will do is just mark the boundaries for every position. Now again let's start with the same process, guys. So A will be 1, so this is 1 1. B will be 2. N will be 3. There are 2 N's, so I am writing 3 2 times. There are 3 A's, so for every A I am writing 1 1 1. Now what you need to do is, again, every position to the right check. The process is same. So less than 2, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are less than 2. How many are less than 1? Any number less than 1? No. How many are less than 3? There are 2 numbers which are less than 3. Only check to your right. Left part you can ignore. Now again, how many are less than 1? Nothing. How many are less than 3? 1. Here again, nothing. Now again, other process same. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. So what will this be, This is 3 into 5 factorial, 0 into 4 factorial, 0 into 3 factorial, 0 into 2 factorial, 1 into 1 factorial, 0 into 0 factorial plus 1. That was our actual process. But here there are repetitions. Don't forget those repetitions. Now what you need to do is start with B. Now to the right, check how many repetitions are there. Now you are seeing there are 3 1 repetitions. So I am writing 3 because there are 3 A's. There are 2 N's. So I am writing 2 again. Ante 3 N's, 2 N's have been repeated. Yeah, here less than 3 is nothing but 2. I said 2 but I wrote 0. No problem. So again, we are coming back to repetitions now. Now look at this. This is B position. Now check to your right, including that. Check to your right. Are there any repetitions? There are 3 A's. There are 2 N's. So I'm writing 3 and 2. Now again, from start with A, check. 1A, 2A, 3 A's. Again 3 A's. There are 2 N's. Yes. Now I will start with N. There are 2 N's. There are 2 A's. Now again I will start with A. There are 2 A's. There is only 1 N, not required. Here nothing. So now what you have to do is, for the first position, there are repeated letters. 2 repeated letters are there. 1 letter is repeated 3 times. 1 letter is repeated 2 times. So this will be by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Here again 3 times 2 times. By 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Here again 2 times 2 times. By 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Here this is 2 factorial. Got it? Why are we writing by 3 factorial, 2 factorial? Repeated letters. So suppose you have a word trammer. How do you arrange? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factorial. There are 2 R's repeated, right? So whenever repetitions are there, you're double counting. So you divide by 2 factorial. Same logic we are using here for banana. So we are checking from letter B to the right. How many A's are there? There are 3 A's. How many N's are there? There are 2 N's. Same process here also. How many A's are there? From here you are checking. There are 2 A's, 2 N's. Again, there are 2 N's, 2 A's. Whatever is that you are dividing. Clear everybody? All of you got it? This is with repetition. Anyway, దీనికోసం కొన్ని షార్ట్స్ కూడా చేసి పెట్టాను నేను. దీన్ని చూడొచ్చు. మళ్ళీ you can revise. So you can do it easily, Faizan, we don't have time. I'm sorry. We don't have time. We have to do at least 20-30 models. Please rewind and watch it. I will just show you quickly. Whenever you have BANANA, the first process is same. What you need to do is, this is 1, 1, 1. This is 2. This is 3, 3. Check to your right how many are less than 2. There are 3 numbers less than 2. How many are less than 1? Nothing. How many are less than 3? There are 2 numbers less than 3. How many are less than 1? Nothing. Less than 3, 1. This is 0. Again 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Now you need to check to your right any repetitions are there, including this. Check to your right any repetition. There are 3 A's repeated. There are 2 N's repeated. Again, check to your right. Again, including this 1, 2, 3 A's. 2 N's. Now check to your right again, including N. So left side A already gone. So we have to count only 2 more A's. 2 N's. Now again, from this check to your right, 2 A's. 1 N already gone. So this will be 3 into 5 factorial by 3 factorial 2 factorial. 0 into 4 factorial by 3 factorial 2 factorial. 2 into 3 factorial by 2 factorial 2 factorial. 0 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial, up to so on. Yes guys, this is about permutations, combinations. Now we will do matrices model. Again, very, very important model. Same model was being asked 2025, 2024, 2023. So for this, you need to know few basics. Suppose you have a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. When a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, we get infinite solutions. However, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, no solution. And when a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, unique solution. So ఇప్పుడు 2 variables 2 unknowns unte, we can do it in this way. Now here we have 3 variables 3 unknowns. They said infinitely many solutions. So infinite solutions means the coefficients should be equal. Now in order to do this, we need to start eliminating one variable. I will try to eliminate x variable. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Now I will try to do 1 versus 3. I will try to do 2 versus 3 also. Now first I will write equation 3. Equation 3 is 100x minus 47y plus mu z equals to 212. First equation is 2x minus y plus z equal to 4. Now 2 versus 3. 100x minus 47y plus mu z equals to 212. This is 5x plus lambda y plus 3z equal to 12. Now I want to eliminate x so that I will get in terms of y and z. So how do you eliminate x, Amma? So simply what you do is multiply with 50 and subtract. Now let's see what will happen. 100x minus 100x cancel. This is nothing but plus 55 minus 47y is nothing but 3y. This is nothing but plus mu minus 50 times z. That is equal to 212. 54 is nothing but 200. So this is nothing but 12. So this is equation 4. Let me write equation 4 here. The equation 4 is 3y plus mu minus 50z equal to 12. This is equation 4. Now let's do it in the same way. This is 100. If I want to eliminate this, I need to multiply with 20 and again subtract. So 100 cancelled. This is minus 47 minus 20. This is nothing but minus 67y plus mu minus 60 times z equal to 12 into 20 is nothing but 240. 212 minus 240 is minus 28. So this is what we get now. This is nothing but equation 5. So what is equation 5 now? minus 67y plus mu minus 60 times z equal to minus 28. Anything I missed? Let's check. Oh, this is actually 47. I made a mistake here. This is lambda, right? I thought this was 1. So this will basically now be minus of 47 plus 20 lambda times y. Minus of 47 plus 20 lambda times y. So now let's check what is happening here. This is 100x minus 47y plus mu z equals to 212. 2x minus y plus z equal to 4. So this subtract, cancel అయిపోతుంది. 50 minus 47 is 3. This is mu minus 50 times z. 200 and 12. Perfect. 100x minus 47y plus mu z equal to 212. 5x plus lambda y plus 3. So 100 minus 100, 0. Minus 47 minus 20 lambda. So minus I'm taking common. Perfect. Mu minus 60 times z. This is also perfect. 240. This is nothing but 28. Awesome. Yes. Now this is equation 5. Now what did I tell you for infinite solution, Amma? For infinite solution, the coefficient ratio is same. So basically 3 by minus of 47 plus 20 lambda equals to mu minus 50 by mu minus 60 equals to 12 by minus 28. 1, 2, 3. So I will equate 1 and 3. 3 by minus 47 plus 20 lambda equals to 12 by minus 28. Minus minus cancelled. 12 3s are is nothing but 84 equal to 47. So 3 goes 4 times I can write. No problem. So this is 28 equal to 47 into 4 plus 80 lambda. So you will get lambda value. Now equate these two, cross multiply, simplify, you will get mu value and you can substitute here. Very easy. So I think after simplifying we will get lambda minus 2 we will get. Mu value 53 I think you will get. And once you simplify you will get answer as 57. So getting lambda and mu you can do it. But the solution is this. So always remember this, Amma. If they say no solution, that means the left hand side coefficient should be equal. If they say unique solution, means none of the coefficients should be equal. So in this one pakka question, Amma, in JEE 2026. So matrix is this model, you have to be thorough, please. Now look at determinant based question. Determinant also one question pakka. This is also 2025. So I'm showing you latest questions and models, whatever are there, so that you can solve. Limit extends to 0, f of x is equal to lambda plus mu a plus vb, lambda plus mu plus v whole square equal to. So we know whenever limit extends to 0, sin x by x is nothing but 1. So basically my limit is a mod of a plus 1, 1, b. This is a, this is 1 plus 1 is 2, b, this is a, this is 1, this is b plus 1. Now we can do plus minus plus. So this is plus a plus 1 into 2b plus 2 minus b minus 1 into a times b plus 1 minus ab plus b times a minus 2a. So now if we simplify, so now you can simplify this. So 2b minus b is nothing but, this is nothing but b plus 2. So this is like ab plus 2a plus 2 plus b. ab plus 2a plus b plus 2. This is like minus ab minus a plus ab. This is like minus ab again. Now what is happening, guys, here? So minus ab plus ab cancelled, minus ab cancelled. So this is 2a minus a is nothing but a plus b plus 2 is equal to lambda plus mu a plus mu b. Now you can compare coefficients. Basically lambda value is 2, mu value 1, nu value 1. So basically 2 plus 1 plus 1 whole square. So answer 16, which is what we got. Easy. So they combined limits with determinant. So easily you can solve this summa determinant. So 3 by 3 determinant ela cheyalo nerchukondi. 3 by 3 plus limits. Limits is a favorite of JEE mains examiner every time. Limits, they combine it with many chapters. So this is easy. You can see the solution. I've put it. Now coming to domain, amma. Always domain, remember something. Whenever you have numerator by denominator, denominator shouldn't be 0. Log shouldn't be, log value cannot take 0, cannot take negative if you have log x. Square root if you have cannot take negative. These are the conditions which you should know, ma. Now look at this. F of x is given as log x whole power 4. G of x is given as this. Now they are asking what is the domain of f circle G. That means basically f of g of x. So instead of x, you need to substitute g of x. So my f of g of x here is log of x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 2 by 2x square minus 2x plus 1 whole power 4. Now domain ante entante whatever values the x can take. Whatever values x can take is called a domain. So what are the values? Basically you have to substitute negative, you have to substitute positive, you have to substitute 0. And వచ్చిnapudu ee case raakuddu. So logarithm cannot give negative, cannot give 0. So lopala value 0 avakuddu. Lopala value cannot be 0. Local value cannot be negative. So you can assume any positive values, any negative values, any 0. Now let's substitute 0 first. 0 substitute just say emaitundi. This is 0, 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 this is 0. So basically 2 by 1. 2 is positive. Log can take positive values. So 0 I can give. Now let's give any positive number. Let's give 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 3 2 minus 2 0. But again you have a 2. 2 minus 2 0. But again you have a 1. You can give any negative values. You can give any positive values basically. Instead of 1 you take minus 1 minus positive 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 positive. Negative ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఈ నెగటివ్ కూడా పాజిటివ్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. సో బేసికలీ యూ కెన్ గివ్ నెగటివ్ నంబర్స్, యూ కెన్ గివ్ పాజిటివ్ నంబర్స్, యూ కెన్ గివ్ 0. వీఆర్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ ఎనీ ఎక్సెప్షన్స్. We are not getting inside term as 0 or in negative term anywhere. Yes, that means what? You can take positive numbers, you can take any negative numbers, you can take 0. Real numbers is the final answer. So always remember this for domain, amma. Always remember this for domain. And you can just verify by like this. First give negative values, then give positive values, then give 0. When you give negative values, you shouldn't get 0 or negative. When you give positive values, you shouldn't get 0 or negative. When you give 0, you shouldn't get 0 or negative. Like this. Now we are coming to limits. Limit extends to infinity, e by 1 minus e into 1 by e minus x by 1 plus x whole power x equal to alpha. Then the value of log alpha by 1 plus log alpha. So let's simplify this first. This is e by 1 by e. So if you take LCM, this is 1 plus x minus ex whole divided by e times 1 plus x. Now this whole power x they give. Now what is happening? Obviously e and e will get cancelled. Now let's see what is this term basically. 1 by 1 minus e into 1 plus x plus, so I am taking 1, x common, so in this I will take x common, 1 minus e by 1 minus e into 1 plus x I am getting. So 1 minus e cancels here. So this is what you will get. Now tell me amma, this is whole power x. Limit x tends to infinity. X tends to infinity ante 1 by x will tend to, so e term 0 అయిపోతుంది. X tends to infinity, coefficients are same, so this will be 1. So we are getting 1 power infinity form. So whenever you get 1 power infinity, which is very very important, you have a method for it. A method ఏంటంటే e power limit x tends to a, g of x into f of x minus 1. So we will get e power limit x tends to infinity, g of x is nothing but x, f of x is 1 by 1 minus e into 1 plus x plus x by 1 plus x minus 1. This is what we will get amma here. Now let me just simplify this now, this part. So this is like x minus 1 plus x by 1 plus x. So x cancelled, we will get minus 1 by 1 plus x. So this equation now will be, so let me wipe this off. E simplification మీకు already అర్థమైంది, 1 power infinity form వచ్చింది basically. Now e bracket simplification is this. Now let's see what can be done here. So basically now what we are getting is e power limit x tends to infinity x into, now observe this, 1 by 1 minus e into 1 plus x. దీని simplification ఇది కదా. So this is minus 1 by 1 plus x. Now I will take e power limit x tends to infinity x by 1 plus x I will take common. So we will get 1 by 1 minus e minus 1. So x by 1 plus x, 1 minus 1 minus e by 1 minus e. 1 cancelled, e by 1 minus e. Limit x tends to infinity. We know x tends to infinity undante 1 by x tends to 0. E coefficient 1 kabatti this value will be 1. So we will get e power 1 by 1 minus e, or e by 1 minus e. E power e by 1 minus e, that is nothing but alpha. Now this one we need to substitute here. So it is log of e power e by 1 minus e by 1 plus log of e by 1 minus e. E power. Log e cancelled. So we will get e by 1 minus e by 1 plus e by 1 minus e. So e by 1 minus e by 1 minus e plus e by 1 minus e. E cancelled. 1 minus e cancelled. Final answer vachedi e. So always remember, whenever limit x tends to a, f of x power g of x, we are getting 1 power infinity. The final solution is e power limit x tends to a, g of x into f of x minus 1. Very, very important model. Now have a look at this 2024 model. Now whenever, always remember amma, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power n ni 1 plus nx rayachu. X tends to 0 unnappude sin ax ni you can write ax, cos bx ni you can write it as 1 minus b square x square by 2. So ee question lo x power 4 undi kabatti I will take, instead of x power 4, so I will take x power 4 as nothing but t. So x equal to 0 ichinapudu t kuda 0 aitundi. Now let's see what will happen here. So limit t tends to 0 aitundi. Now I am doing only a value. Under root of 1 plus t minus root 2 by t ochindi. Now I can use a shortcut. So t tends to 0 or x tends to 0. 1 plus t whole power half emaitundi, 1 plus t by 2 aitundi. So e bracket portion I can write it as 1 plus t by 2. This is again square root undi kabatti this is power half root 2 by t. Now what is happening again? A value is nothing but 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2 plus t by 2 whole power half minus root 2 by t. Now I will take 2 common. So 2 power half common, 1 plus t by 2 into 2 is nothing but t by 4 whole power 1 by 2 minus root 2 by t. Ippudu t power half that is root 2 I can take common. Now again this is like 1 plus x whole power n 1 plus nx. This is 1 plus t by 4 into half minus 1 by t basically. So what is happening? Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, t cancelled. So we will get root 2 into 1 by 8. Okay, I'll show you this step once again, Amma. Okay, I'll show you this step once again. I think you would have missed this. So ikkad nunchi em cheyalante, like I showed you, 1 plus x whole power n is 1 plus nx kada. So we use the same basically. So what you need to do here is, I am taking root 2 common. So if you take root 2 common, and I am using 1 plus x whole power in formula, 1 plus nx, 1 plus t by 4 into half. So since I am taking root 2 common, this will be minus 1 by t. So minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, t cancelled, you will get root 2 by 8. So or 1 by 4 root 2 we will get. A value 1 by 4 root 2. Now look at this. Limit x tends to 0. Sine square x I can write it as x square. This is root 2 plus 1 plus, what is cos x? 1 minus x square by 2. So again we have x square. So I will write x square is equal to t. Now I will do same process here. Okay. So we will get limit t tends to 0. T by root 2 plus root of 2 minus t. Now again, I will take root 2 common here. T by root 2 times root 2 into 1 minus t by 2 whole power half. So t by root 2 times so cos x I can write it as 1 minus x square by 2. So x square in t la rastu. 1 minus t square by 2 వస్తుంది. T by 2 whole by 2. So this will be 1 plus this is negative sign, sorry. So 1 minus t by 4 వస్తుంది. అంతే కదా, this I can expand again. So 1 cancelled, minus cancelled basically. Wait a second, ఇది ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చేద్దామమ్మా. Let's avoid the confusion. Okay, so A part clear కదా. So let's do the B part now. B part is limit x tends to 0 sin square x by root 2 minus of root of 1 plus cos x. So sin square x I can write it as x square basically. Whole divided by root 2 minus root of 1 plus, what is cos x? 1 plus 1 minus x square by 2 basically. So basically I will get x square by root 2 minus, if I take root 2 common, I will get 1 minus x square by 4 whole power half. Now I can take root 2 common, so directly I can do 1 minus x square by 8 we will get. So we will get 4 root 2 basically. Yes. So I got A as 1 by 4 root 2, B as 4 root 2. So substitute here, you will get the answer. So very easy shortcut. Now the other model in limits is by expansions method. So e bar x expansion we know. So basically you just have to substitute standard expansions. E bar x expansion is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial up to so on, minus b times log of 1 plus x formula is x minus x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial up to so on, plus cx times e power minus x is again same with a negative sign, 1 minus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial up to so on, whole divided by x square into sin x expansion. So all expansions you do and compare coefficients amma. Anni expansions chesi coefficient comparison chesthe you will get the final answer. This is also very easy. Coefficients equal to 0 beta. Next, areas basis. Y equals to x square minus 4x plus 4. Y square equal to 16 minus 8x. So y I can write it as x minus 2 whole square. Y square equals to 16 minus 8x I can write. So root y equals to x minus 2 or x equals to root y plus 2 or y equal or x is equal to y square minus 16 by minus 8 or 16 minus y square by 8. Yes, everyone. So now I got my x values. So basically convert everything in terms of x and try to find out the y values. Now what you can do is you can simplify this equation. You will get x value. So equate these two. ఈ రెండింటిని ఈక్వేట్ చేద్దామమ్మా. So we will get x minus 2 whole square equals to 16 minus 8x. So I will take 8x common minus 8x common. We will get minus 8 common. We will get x minus 2 again. X minus 2 whole square. So we will get x minus 2 whole power 4 minus 8 plus 8 times x minus 2 equal to 0. Or if you take x minus 2 common, x minus 2 whole cube plus 8 equal to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0 we will get, or x value 2. X minus 2 whole cube equal to minus 8 you will get, or x minus 2 equals to minus 2. And x value is nothing but 0 we will get. So we will get x value 0, x value 2. Now substitute x value 0. Y equals to plus or minus 4 we will get. So that is how you will get the limits. And you can simplify. So whatever is the bigger value should come first. Bigger function minus smaller function and lower limit, upper limit. So like that, simple y power n formula, y power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So very easy to do this as well. Now we are doing differential equation. In this LDE is super important ma. Linear differential equation. So to do linear differential equation, you need to know the standard form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. The integrating factor is e power integral p dx. Solution is y into integrating factor equals to q into integrating factor dx plus c. This is the standard one which you need to know. Now let's solve this. So I will divide by 2 cos x on both sides. So dy by dx equals to sine 2x by 2 cos x. So I'm sending it down here. Minus 4y sine x by cos x, 2 cos x. Now sine 2x I can write it as 2 sine x cos x by 2 cos x. Minus 2 goes 2 times. So 2y sine by cos is nothing but tan x dy by dx. 2 cos x cancelled. So we will basically get dy by dx plus 2y tan x equal to sine x. This is my equation now. So same process, whatever we did, this is like this. So if we compare here, p value is 2 tan x, q value is nothing but sin x. So e power integral p dx, e power integral 2 tan x, e power 2 times integral tan x is log mod secant x. So 2 goes up, e power log of secant x whole square, e log cancelled. So integrating factor is secant square x. Solution is nothing but y into integrating factor is secant square x equals to integral q. What is my q value? Right hand side term sin x into secant square x dx plus c. Integral sine by cos square x dx plus c. Or you can write it as cos x whole power minus 2 into sin x integral dx plus c. So just give negative negative. This is like f of x whole power n into f dash of x. So f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Cos x whole power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Minus of. So minus minus cancel basically. So final solution is y secant square x equals to minus will become plus basically 1 by cos x plus c. Y secant square x equal to secant x plus c. So mana differential ochindi. Now you need to substitute. You will get c value దీని నుంచి వస్తుంది. Then you need to substitute pi by 4. Then you need to differentiate and substitute. You will get the final answer. Very very easy. So LD pakka LD formula nu నేర్చుకోవాలి. LD based one question you will get for sure amma. Now one more variable separable type let's do. All these are PYQs amma. So either LD or variable separable they will ask. So how do you do variable separable? This is 2 times 3 plus y e power 2x dx equals to 7 plus e power 2x into dy. So separate all x terms and separate all y terms. So this I will send it down. So we will get 2 e power 2x dx by 7 plus e power 2x equals to dy by 3 plus y. Integrate on both sides. Now observe amma. Isn't it looking like f of x? What is the derivative of 7? 0. Derivative of e power 2x is 2 e power 2x. So this is like f dash of x amma. So integral f dash of x by f of x is log of 7 plus e power 2x log of f of x equals to this is like log of 3 plus y plus c. This is my differential equation now. Solved differential equation. Now they gave initial condition. Initial condition enti x equal to 0, y value 5. So substitute x equal to 0. Give y value 5. What will happen? E power 0 is nothing but 1. Log of 7 plus 1 is log 8 is equal to log of 3 plus 5 is nothing but 8 plus c. So c value is nothing but 0. So basically log of 7 plus e power 2x equal to log of 3 plus y. Log cancelled. So 3 plus y equals to 7 plus e power 2x, or y value is nothing but e power 2x plus 4. Now they are asking you y value is nothing but k they said. X value is nothing but log 2. So e power 2 log 2 plus 4. So 2 goes up. E power log of 2 square is 4 plus 4. E log cancelled. 4 plus 4 is nothing but 8. Third option, final answer. So simply using variable separable method, you can easily get the answer. Fantastic, easy question. Now next, whenever you get this type of question, always use d by dx on both sides. Derivative of integral is what? First you substitute here. This is x into f of x into d by dx of x. This is like UV rule I can use. X square into derivative of f of x is f dash of x plus f of x into derivative of x square is nothing but 2x. So derivative of x is nothing but 1. So x into f of x equals to x square f dash of x plus f of x into 2x. So you need to simplify this now. So if you take it to the other side, x into f of x equals to minus x square into f dash of x. X and square will get cancelled. F dash of x by f of x equals to minus x, minus 1 by x. So if you integrate on both sides, put dx. What will you get? Integral f dash by f of x is nothing but log of f of x equals to minus log x plus c. Now they gave initial value condition. F of 2 is nothing but 3 they said. So x value 2. So what happens if you substitute that? Log of f of 2 equals to minus log 2 plus c. So log 3 plus log 2 equal to c. Log 3 plus log 2 is nothing but log 6. So c is nothing but log 6. So log of f of x equals to minus log x plus log 6. So now they're asking you f of 6. Log of f of 6 equals to minus log 6 plus log 6. I think I made a mistake somewhere. It's into 2x. So 2x is nothing but x. X into f of x equals to minus x square f dash of x. That is correct. X and square will get cancelled. Minus 1 by x. So this is minus log x. So we got the same, and then you need to simplify. I think I would have made some calculation mistake, but the solution is correct. So we need to differentiate on both sides. Basically we need to get our f of x ma. So first, when x equal to 2, just substitute x equal to 2. So f of 2 is nothing but 3. So log 3 plus log 2, log 6. So c value will be log 6 basically. So this is my equation basically. Log of f of x equals to minus log x plus log 6 basically. This is what we will get, guys. Or log of f of x plus log x equal to log 6. F of x into x equal to 6. So x f of x equal to 6 we are getting. So now they are asking you f of 6. So 6 into f of x equal to 6. 6 cancelled. F of x is 1. Yes. First option answer. So it is simple. Now this is again an LDE, guys. Yes. So how do you simplify this? Dy by dx plus 3 tan square x plus 3 times y equal to secant square x. So this is like dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. So P is nothing but 3 times 1 plus tan square x. Secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. So P is 3 secant square x. Q is secant square x. Now let's find out the solution. E power integral 3 secant square x. Integral secant square x is tan x, right? So E power 3 tan x is my integrating factor. So y into e power 3 tan x equals to integral e power 3 tan x into secant square x dx. So we can write tan x equal to t. So e power 3t, secant square x dx is nothing but dt. Integral e power 3t is nothing but e power 3t by 3 plus c y e power 3 tan x. So final answer is y e power 3 tan x equals to e power 3 tan x by 3 plus c. Now same process, instead of giving x equal to 0, y is this. Substitute, simplify, and then find out pi by 4. These are called boundary value condition based problems. Very, very important, very, very easy. So this one, so time increases when time equal to 0, this decreases continuously. T of 15 is 1 to 20 Fahrenheit. T of 45 is what? So very simple here. So first we need to simplify this. dt by t minus at equals to minus k dt. Integrate. So this is log of t minus at, f dash by f of, equals to minus kt plus c. This is my first equation. Now they are saying t equal to 0. This is nothing but 160 Fahrenheit. So log of 160 minus 80 equal to minus k times 0. So t equal to 0, capital T is 160 degrees plus c. So c is nothing but log 80. So basically now we will get log of t minus 80 equals to minus kt plus log of 80. Now they are asking you what is log t of 15 equals to. So when now we need to find out k value also. For that they give second condition. What is second condition? T equal to 15. Temperature 120 degrees. So we will substitute log of 120 minus 80 equals to minus k into 15 plus log 80. So this is log 40 minus log 80 by minus 15. That is the value of k. Now I know k value also. Now you can substitute 45, t equal to 45. You will get the capital T value. Simplification, easy method again. Very easy. Cheppan kadamma, boundary value condition, you will get one question for sure. Now we are going to do a little bit of geometry. Triangle PQR be the image of the triangle whose vertices in the line x plus 2y equal to 2. The centroid is this. What is this? So basically ఏంటంటే image ఉన్నప్పుడు the basic fundamental concept is I will assume ABC amma. Okay. So A is 1, 3. So these vertices are ABC, I will tell. 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 4. Now there is one line basically. That line is this. X plus 2y equal to 2. Then they said an image is formed. New triangle PQR is formed. You will observe that the centroids will also have the image. So basically G, what is the centroid now? 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6 by 3. 3 plus 1 4 plus 4 8 by 3. So 2 comma 8 by 3. So now we can use centroid. The centroid of the first triangle image will be the centroid of the second triangle, because they said both are images to each other. So this is alpha comma beta basically. Now we can find out image. What is that? H minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b, minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now I need alpha beta. H is nothing but alpha minus 2 by 1, beta minus 8 by 3 by 2, minus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 8 by 3 minus 2 by 1 square plus 2 square. Solve cheyandi. You will get my alpha beta value. Whatever alpha beta value you get, you substitute in this, you will get the final answer. So in that way it will be very easy to solve. So just use the formula, you will get alpha beta values. So this is that solution, guys. Very easy. So straight lines anta visualization to jaise chamma. Now look at this question. Two sides, equal sides of triangle ABC. So E2 equal anukundam manamu. Minus x plus 2y equal to 4. X plus y equal to 4. M is the slope of the third side. So third side ni y equal to mx plus c anukundam. Now I will solve the first two equations. So if you solve these two equations, what will you get? I will get a vertex, correct? X plus y equal to 4 minus x plus 2y equal to 4. So x minus x cancelled, 3y equal to 8, y equals to 8 by 3. So y value 8 by 3 ochindi. X value will be 4 minus 8 by 3. 12 minus 8 is nothing but 4 by 3. Now same way I will solve these two equations now. So instead of y you have mx plus c. So minus x plus 2 times mx plus c equal to 4. So you will get b vertex, you will get c vertex. Now you know AB equal to AC, find out the distance formula, and then you calculate how many m values are there. Very easy to solve. Now look at this area of the triangle type. So line L with the coordinate axis are 48 square units. So you know x by a plus y by b equal to 1. That forms a triangle basically. This is A, this is B. Now let's try to convert this also in the same way. This is x plus by equal to minus c. X by minus c plus y by minus c by b equal to 1. So now if you draw the vertex, we will get minus c by b. So half into minus c into minus c by b equal to 48 they said. So c square equal to 96b I am getting. First equation. if a perpendicular from origin to L makes an angle of 45 degrees, then b square plus c square. So this is nothing but slope, right? So c square is 96b. So perpendicular distance from origin, so we can get slope is nothing but b. So also given b square plus c square. So we know c square now. C square is 96b. B is nothing but 1 we will get. So we know c square value easily. 96 into 1, 96. B square value is 96 plus 1. Easy. So slope is nothing but b, ante kada. So very easy to solve, because you will get this as minus c comma 0. This is 0 comma minus c by b. So slope is nothing but tan theta slope. So like that you can find out, very easy to solve. All visualization, amma. All visualize and solve. Now this is circles based question, amma. A line x plus y equal to 1 meets x square plus y square equal to 4 at a comma b. So this is the circle basically. So 0 comma 0 is the center and radius is 2 units. A line x plus y equal to 1 meets the circle. So this is that x plus y equal to 1 meets the circle at a comma b. The perpendicular through the midpoint of the chord meets the circle at C and D. Then find the area of the quadrilateral ADBC. ADBC, something of this sort. Basically distance of chord from the origin kanukondi. Perpendicular distance formula, ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Ikkada origin undi kabatti you can just substitute 0 comma 0. You will get that. Chord length formula we know 2 times r square minus d square. Now basically CD is nothing but the diameter. Manam draw chesthe manam chusam kada. The CD will be nothing but the diameter. So this is the quadrilateral they are asking basically, ADBC. So diagonal perpendicular kabatti half times AB into CD. Very easy. Circles would direct visualize and draw amma. Visualize and solve based model. This is the same process. Circle passes through 4, 2 and 0, 2 and center lies on this. Then the length of the chord whose midpoint is, again same thing, perpendicular bisector kanukondi. Center is lying kabatti we will get center easily calculate chesamante. Radius vachestundi center vacheka. Chord length formula 2 times r square minus d square. Same formula. Ee formulas నేర్చుకోండి, it will be very easy amma. Now based on integration, so I think inka 3-4 questions maatrame unnai. So let's quickly run through that as well. Limit t tends to 0, this is equal to this. So ikkada kuda mana limits formula vaadam amma. So anything power 0 is 1 per infinity form. So we will get e power limit t tends to 0, 1 by t into 0 to t, 3x plus 5 whole power t dx minus 1 us. So this integral with dx. So this is like ax power n. So this is 3x plus 5 whole power t plus 1 by t plus 1. Coefficient 3 undi kabatti you will get divided by 3 minus 1. Idamma manam solve cheyalsinde. E power limit t tends to 0. Deenki again upper limit lower limit 0 to 1 undi kada. So this is 0 to 1. సో ఇది మనం సింప్లిఫై చేసామంటే బేసికలీ వీ విల్ గెట్ ఫస్ట్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే సో వీ విల్ గెట్ e పవర్ లిమిట్ t టెన్స్ టు 0 1/t 1/3 కామన్ వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 3 + 5 is nothing but 8 power t plus 1 by t plus 1 by t plus 1 కామన్ ఉంటుంది మైనస్ 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసామంటే 5 power t plus 1 by t plus 1 minus 1. దీనిని మనం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తూ ఉండాలి అంతే. సో యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ సింప్లిఫై దిస్. సో ఇలా చేస్తామమ్మా సింప్లిఫికేషన్. యూజ్ ఎల్ హాస్పిటల్స్ రూల్ సింప్లిఫై చేయడానికి. సో బేసికలీ మనకు వచ్చింది ఏంటంటే 8 power t plus 1 minus 5 power t plus 1 minus 1 by 3 times t square plus t వచ్చింది. So 2 times L hospital rule, you will get the answer. Very, very easy, ma. Now for this type of model, logarithm model also very, very important in indefinite integrals. ఎప్పుడైనా log x అని క్వశ్చన్లో వస్తే assume log x equals to t, x equals to e power t, dx equals to e power t dt. సో లోవర్ లిమిట్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? లోవర్ లిమిట్ అంటే x ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఈ స్క్వేర్. సో ఈ స్క్వేర్ అంటే t వాల్యూ విల్ బి t. x ఈక్వల్స్ టు e పవర్ 4 అంటే t వాల్యూ విల్ బి 4. సో ఈ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఏమవుతుందంటే t ఈక్వల్ టు 2 టు t ఈక్వల్ టు 4 1 by x is nothing but e power t. This is e power 1 by log x is nothing but t, that is t square plus 1 by e power 1 by t square plus 1 plus e power 1 by 6 minus t square, 6 minus t whole square plus 1. dx is nothing but e power t dt. Cancel, cancel. Idi mana friendship shortcut method. What is friendship shortcut method? If you have integral a to b f of x by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x dx, the final answer is b minus a by 2. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, e పవర్ t square plus 1 t square plus 1 4 plus 2 is 6 minus t square minus 1. So 4 minus 2 by 2, answer 1. Easy shortcut. So if friendship based model questions kuda trick based, you will get lot of questions. So if I equals to this, again ikkada chudandi, this is like sin of pi by 2 minus x ఏమవుతుంది? cos of x. సో ఇక్కడ sin cos వచ్చింది ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో pi by 2 minus 0 by 2 వస్తుంది, pi by 4. I వాల్యూ pi by 4 బేసికలీ. ఇది దీంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. సో we will get 2 times pi by 4 x times sin x cos x by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x dx. ఇది pi by 2 అవుతుంది. So again this is I can also write it as a plus b minus x. So this is pi by 2 plus 0 minus x, sin of pi by 2 minus x cos x, cos of pi by 2 minus x sin x. Denominator కూడా సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ 2 i's కలిపేద్దాం మనం. సో we will get 2i equals to pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x. సో pi by 2 కామన్ వస్తుంది మనకి. This will be sin x cos x by sin power 4x cos power 4x. Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేసేద్దాం. We know how to do it. We will get answer pi square by 16. Very, very easy once again. So always remember, amma, integral a to b f of x dx, you can write it as integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. It is very, very easy, very, very simple. Same way, if you have integral a to b f of x by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x dx, this I can write it as b minus a by 2. E2 based pakka questions. So we are doing very quick and fast revision. Yes, you can get it, amma, Akshay. The same process whatever we have done, guys. Similar process. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి u equals to sin theta minus cos theta అనుకోండి. So du అంటే derivative of sin is cos, derivative of minus cos is sin. So sin theta minus cos theta whole square will be 1 minus sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta will be 1 minus u square. So limits kuda change cheseyandi. We are getting it as 1 minus a square by x square form. So logarithm form lo direct substitution answer vachesthundi. Now look at this, amma. The intersection AB of lies in the second quadrant. Then, so basically point of intersection enti. Basically they said x square equal to 2y and y equals to 2x plus 6. So ఇది దీంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. సో x square equals to 2 times 2x plus 6, x square minus 4x minus 12 equal to 0, x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 12 equal to 0, x times x minus 6 minus plus 2 times x minus 6 equal to 0, x value minus 2, y value 6. Quadrant 2 అన్నారు, ప్లస్ ప్లస్ మైనస్. సో x వాల్యూ నెగిటివ్ ఉంటుంది. సో x minus 2 ఉన్నప్పుడు y వాల్యూ ఏమొస్తుంది? y వాల్యూ ఇస్ 6 minus 4 is nothing but 2. సో a వాల్యూ minus 2, b వాల్యూ 2 వస్తుంది మనకి. అగైన్ f of x f of a plus b minus x చేయాలి. So we will get 9x square వస్తుంది. Integral 9x square is 9x cube by 3 వస్తుంది. 3 3s are. Substitute చేసేయండి అంతే. 2 cube 8, 3s are 24 వస్తుంది. Quite easy this as well. And మీరు ఇంకోటి 3D geometryలో ఇది ఒకటి గుర్తుంచుకోండి అమ్మా. Angle between the shortest distance formula. So suppose మీకు x minus a1 by alpha 1 equals to x minus a2 by alpha 2 equal to x minus a3 by alpha 3 and x minus b1 by beta 1, x minus b2 by beta 2, x minus b3 by beta 3 వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం a వెక్టర్ని a1, a2, a3 అనుకుందాము. b వెక్టర్ని b1, b2, b3 అనుకుందాము. దెన్ p1 వెక్టర్ని ఆల్ఫా 1, ఆల్ఫా 2, ఆల్ఫా 3 అనుకుందాము. p2 వెక్టర్ని బీటా 1, బీటా 2, బీటా 3 అనుకుందాము. సో బేసికలీ షార్టెస్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే వెక్టర్ b మైనస్ వెక్టర్ a చేయండి. Dot product of p1 cross p2 whole divided by mod of p1 cross p2. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే మనం దీని క్రాస్ ప్రోడక్ట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. క్రాస్ ప్రోడక్ట్ కనుక్కోవడం మీకు తెలుసు, ఐజేకే ఆల్ఫా 1, ఆల్ఫా 2, ఆల్ఫా 3, బీటా 1, బీటా 2, బీటా 3, 3x3 మ్యాట్రిక్స్. అది కనుక్కుంటే మీకు ఇది వచ్చేస్తుంది. దీని తర్వాత డాట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. దెన్ డివైడ్ బై మోడ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ p1 క్రాస్ p2. ఇది చేశారంటే మీకు ఈజీగా పక్కా క్వశ్చన్ అగైన్. సో అందరు వాట్సాప్ కమ్యూనిటీ జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూసుకోండి అమ్మా, మినిమం 8 to 10 మోడల్స్ వీటిల నుంచి వస్తాయి. అండ్ మీకు షార్ట్ ట్రిక్స్ కూడా షేర్ చేస్తాను, అవి కూడా చూసుకోండి, అవి కూడా మీకు యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతాయి. ఇదంతా కాకుండా కూడా మనం మండే నాడు ఐ విల్ అగైన్ డిస్కస్ సమ్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్స్. అది ఇది చూసుకోండి బిఫోర్ ది JEE ఎగ్జామ్స్. ఐ థింక్ యూ షుడ్ బి గుడ్. ఫైనలీ అమ్మ, మేము వీఆర్ లాంచింగ్ ది క్రాష్ కోర్స్ ఫర్ ఎంసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్, JEE మెయిన్స్ 2 ఎంసెట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్కి కావాల్సిన క్రాష్ కోర్స్ ఆర్ డీటెయిల్స్ కావాలంటే ఈ నంబర్కి కాల్ ఆర్ వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. అండ్ మంచిగా రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి, ఈ మోడల్స్ ఫస్ట్ చేయండి, దాని తర్వాత వేరేవన్నీ చేయండి. మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్స్, సాల్వబుల్ మోడల్స్, స్కోరింగ్ మోడల్స్ అలాంగ్ విత్ షార్ట్కట్ మెథడ్స్ నేను డిస్కస్ చేశాను. సో షేర్ దిస్ వీడియో విత్ ఎవ్రీబడి. ఇంకొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్, ఇంకొన్ని మోడల్స్ కూడా నేను తీసుకుని మండే నాడు డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ గైజ్ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్ దిస్ వన్ షార్ట్ సిరీస్ ఆన్ ఎ ఫెస్టివల్. I will see you all again soon. All the very best for JEE 2026. వాట్సాప్ కమ్యూనిటీ తప్పకుండా జాయిన్ అవ్వండి, దాంట్లో నేను షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్స్ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి నేను పెట్టేస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. హలో.